Hello, good evening. So today is July 11. So matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-Didake reading and we're back. For today, July 11, the title of the reading is Rescue is Coming. Sa title pa lang, ang ganda-ganda na po. But everyone who endures to the end will be saved. Matthew 10 verses verse verse 22. So ang ganda-ganda, parang very promising itong reading ngayon. So rescue is coming. Everyone who endures to the end will be saved. Parang dito pa lang ano na to, um, medyo nakarelate na tayo kasi parang sa dami ng mga pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, no, parang kailangan lang talaga natin is i-endure lang yung mga bagay na yan. Kasi at the end naman, nandiyan ang finish line. And sa finish line, we will be saved. So, whatever it is na pinagdadaanan po natin, always believe na nakikita yan ni God, alam ni God lahat ng mga pagsasakripisyo, lahat ng mga pain, lahat ng ini-endure ninyo dyan, alam niya. So, nakikita niya lahat yan. At pag wala na tayo dito sa mundong ibabaw, lahat naman yan ay puntos po natin sa langit. Okay? So, let's proceed with our article. In 1957, Kurt Richter did an experiment with rats. He placed them in a jar of water and wanted to find out how many minutes will it take for the rats to give up and stop swimming. On the average, it took 15 minutes before the rats gave up and drowned. In the second batch, Richter did something different. When he noticed that a rat was about to give up, he'd take it, pat it dry, and let it rest a bit before returning it to the water. After that, it would average 60 hours before they gave up. What spelled the difference between 15 minutes and 60 hours? The hope of being rescued. Once the rats realized that there was the possibility of a hand coming to rescue them, they kept swimming and fighting. Newsflash. Life is hard. Life is tiring. There will be many days when your resilience will be tested. But there is always hope. You may be on the brink of giving up right now. Pray for endurance. Just keep swimming because unlike Kurt Richter and his team, God's hand will definitely not let you drown. Endure to the end. Rescue is coming. Ang ganda po ng reading natin today, no? It is the promise that God's hand will definitely not let us down. Okay, for the reflection, do you easily give up when times are rough? Fix your eyes on Jesus instead of your circumstance. Personally, I've gone through so many hardships last year and this year. Yung talagang pagising mo, nandyan siya sa'yo, iiyak ka, and then kahit gusto mong kalimutan kasi masakit, pero kailangan mong ipagpatuloy yung life, kailangan mong lumaban. So, maraming rough times tayo, pero eto na yan eh, buhay natin yan. And I think dito sa mundong ibabaw, ganun talaga. Ang dami-daming trials. But you can't give up. Kailangan patatagin at patatagin mo lang talaga yung sarili mo. Palakasin mo yung faith mo. I-fix mo lang yung aim mo kay Jesus na sinusurrender ko to sa'yo. Sinusurrender ko to sa'yo. Hindi ako susuko kasi alam ko, hawak mo ko. At pagdating ng araw, there will be happiness. Matatapos din ito. Aalagaan mo ko at hindi mo ko pababayaan. For our prayer, Lord, when I'm about to give up, give me hope. When I'm about to lose hope, keep me going. July 11, napakaganda. Rescue is coming. So, lagi tayong magtiwala kay God. Kapag pinanghihinaan kayo ng loob, magdasal lamang sa Kanya. Nabigyan kayo ng pag-asa. At kapag nawawalan ng pag-asa, tulungan niya kayo na ipagpatuloy lang ang laban. Kaya mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, let us always believe in the promise of His love. Kasi hindi tayo pababayaan ng nasa taas. Wag na wag nating hahayaan na mawala yung ating faith, yung ating paniniwala sa taas. Diyan lang kayo kumapit. Hindi niya kayo pababayaan, hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching.